In this video, explore essential Excel functions to clean and format text data. We'll be covering the trim, proper, upper, and lower functions. Understanding these functions will allow you to manipulate text strings so that they look and behave as per requirement. The trim function removes any extra spaces from text data. Here is the syntax. The function takes one argument, which is the text string you want to clean. This function is valuable for removing leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces between words, ensuring your data is clean and consistent. Let's look at an example of the trim function. Before applying the trim function, the text reads, John Smith. After using the trim function, the text reads, John Smith. The formula used here is equals trim, open parenthesis, A1 close parenthesis. The proper function converts text to proper case format. Proper case means that the first letter of each word is capitalized, and the rest of the letters are lowercase. The syntax for the proper function is as follows: equals proper, open parenthesis, text, close parenthesis. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word and converts the remaining letters to lowercase. Let's explore the proper function with an example. Before, the text reads, John Smith all in lowercase. After applying the proper function, the text reads, John Smith, with the first letter of each word capitalized. The formula we're using is equals proper, open parenthesis, A1 close parenthesis. Let's examine the upper and lower functions in Excel. The upper function converts all text to uppercase letters. Its syntax is equals upper open parenthesis text, close parenthesis. The lower function, on the other hand, converts all text to lowercase letters. The syntax is equals lower open parenthesis text, close parenthesis. Let's see how the upper and lower functions work with a few examples. In the upper example, the input text is Hello World. After applying the upper function, the output text becomes Hello World. The formula here is equals upper open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis. For the lower example, the input text is Hello World. After using the lower function, the output is Hello World. The formula used is equals lower, open parenthesis, A1 close parenthesis. To summarize, let's review the 4 essential functions for cleaning text data. The trim function removes extra spaces. The proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word. The upper function converts text to uppercase. The lower function converts text to lowercase. Now you can clean text data effortlessly with Excel. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.